Hello, Amazing All-Stars. Today is Tuesday, March 1st. We've made it to another month. We are going to begin today by going through our calendar, and we'll find out what's on the calendar. We've noticed this year, every single calendar that we have for a different month is very different. So let's find out what's on this one. Whoa! Oh my goodness, we love it. Did you see what I saw? We have clocks. That means we're going to go back to telling time. We love telling time. So now, if we look at this clock, this is what type of clock again? Is it digital or analog? Remember, a digital clock only has numbers on it. If it is an analog clock, it has the big hand, the little hand, and all of the numbers appearing at the same time. So this year's is an analog clock. Analog clock. If we look at this analog clock, what time is it on this analog clock? I see 12 o'clock. Very good, All-Stars. So this is cool. This entire month we're going to focus on telling time. Something else I want you to focus on is this. We have to add another day that we've been in school. So if we look at our information, we had 106 days. We are now adding on another day to make it 107 days that we have been in school. 107. And we're going to change everything here. So we'll make it 107 here. The number word, 107. 10 groups of 10, which is 100, and 7 ones. We also have 100 plus 7, and we have 10 dimes and 7 pennies, which would equal 107. That means we need to add on one more cube. So now we have 107. I'm super excited to see the amazing things that we will be doing this month. Right now, what I'd like you to do for the remainder of the Number Corner time is to count from the number 50 to 100. And then once you make it to the number 100, I would like you to count back from the number 100 to the number 50. Remember, counting forwards and backwards is super important for what we do with math. Have a great day. Enjoy.